In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gcash to buy games on Steam. Start by opening Steam on your computer and signing in to your account if needed. Once you are on the Steam storefront, browse until you find the game you want to buy. When you are ready, open the games page and click Add to Cart. This places the game into your shopping cart so you can begin the purchase process next. Steam will ask how you want to purchase the item. You can choose for My Account if the game is for you, or as a gift if you want to send it to someone else. After selecting the correct option, continue to checkout. On the payment screen, look through the available payment methods and select Gcash. After choosing it, click Continue. This tells Steam that you want to complete the purchase using Gcash through its payment partner. You will then need to check the box confirming that you agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. This is a standard part of the purchase process, so make sure the box is checked before moving forward. After that, click Continue to Smart 2 Pay. This will open the payment gateway and generate a unique QR code on your screen. Make sure you leave this page open, because you will need to scan that exact code using your phone. Now switch to your phone and open the Gcash app. On the main screen, tap Scan QR at the bottom of the app. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen and let the app scan it. Once it loads, carefully review the payment details shown in Gcash. It's always a good idea to double-check the amount before confirming, just to avoid mistakes. When everything looks correct, confirm the transaction in the Gcash app. After that, wait for the confirmation screen. Once the payment goes through successfully, the game should instantly be added to your Steam library, which means you can download and play it right away. If the game doesn't appear immediately, give Steam a moment to refresh, then check your library again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.